Hello children, welcome to STP Mathematics 1A, the first lesson, right? So this is the book. Already you know what is the book we are using here. And what you want to do, you take your theory book, right? Everyone, you take your theory book and you have the first page, no children, that when you turn your theory book, you have the first page. In that first page, you take the pink color pen and you write this STP Mathematics 1A. How you are going to write it? So let's say if this is your the first page like this when you turn the book. So let's say this is your first page, right? Then you write here STP Mathematics 1A, right? Here what you do, that you take the blue color one, let's say here you write that it's my name, Manoja Jeewanti Amarasinghe, like this, right? You write Manoja Jeewanti Amarasinghe, then you write grade 6, something like this. This is your first, right? Now, when I'm explaining like this, you want to have enough time to write these now. What you want to do, you pause the video and you write it. Then and there you want to do children, right? So then you just open the theory book, right? And here you write theory book. Okay. You open the book, go to the first page, right? And you pause the video and you write what I have written. That you write the STP Mathematics 1A, then you write the theory book, then below that the bottom part you write your name and you write it's grade 6, right? So that is how it works, right? Then we will move to, you can pause the video and you can do it and you start it. Even though I'm just explaining everything at once, you don't want to listen to everything at once. This is the benefit you are going to have. You just pause the video and write it nicely. Then you on the video and you can move to the next one. Then you are moving to the next page, right? So this is your next page, let's say. The next page, you know that how to use this. In the previous video, I explained. You write the date. Today it is August 4th. That was August 1st. And this is August 4th, let's say, 4th, 2025. And you write the topic. What is the topic we are going to do? That in pink color, you write unit 1. Here you take the pink color and here you write unit 1, right? Unit 1. And you write addition and subtraction of whole numbers. Here you write addition and subtraction of whole numbers. I don't have enough space. I'm just showing you. So then here you write and underline it, right? So this is the first topic. So then these things you want to write in pink color. Okay. So then you write, this is the unit 1, right? So this is the one thing you want to write. The other thing you want to write in pink color, addition and subtraction of whole numbers, right? So then these things you want to write in pink color here. After putting the date, you write unit 1, addition and subtraction of whole numbers, right? So that is the main topic, the first unit we are learning. Then children, you take your the black pen, right? So every time that I'm just moving, don't worry. Whenever you want to write anything, you just pause the video, look at the screen and write everything using the correct color. So when with the time, you will realize that how you want to do them quickly. But the very first day, I'm not expecting you to do everything quickly. The first few weeks or first few months, So you just pause the video and you write it everything neatly and nicely. So with the time you understand that what kind of plan I'm having, what kind of method I'm using here. Believe me, children, so this is a very psychological pattern of the teaching and learning the things. So then if you grab the things accordingly, exactly the way I'm explaining here, believe me, so mathematics will be your favorite subject and mathematics will be the highest scored subject in your progress report, right? Okay, so then you write the subtopic, right? What is the subtopic? Continuous addition. This is the subtopic. You want to write in black color here, that here you write, the black color, continuous addition, you write it and underline like this, okay? Continuous addition, right? So this topic, unit 1 and unit 2, they are very easy, children. So nothing to worry. So we are doing kind of few warm-up exercises that soon after your primary education, you have come to the middle school, and this is the first time that you're going to have this kind of a big book. So then we are slowly warming up and be ready for the harder concepts. The first 2 to 3 units, they are very easy, right? The continuous addition. So what they say, children, under the continuous addition, so this is the first theory note, first point you want to write. To add a line of numbers, start at the left-hand side. Start at the left-hand side. What do you mean by that? You start from where? You want to start from the left-hand side. That means you start from 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. So then the answer is 21. When you have numbers to add like this as a line, from where you start, children, always you start from the left-hand side, right? You start from the left-hand side, okay? And then you add the numbers one by one. You start from the left-hand side. So this is the second point you are writing, right? You don't want to write these things. You know how to do it, right? So then you start here. You have a few numbers to add as a line. From where you start from the left-hand side. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. And if you can't add these numbers like this in mind, then you can go to the working column, right? I told you that I asked you to maintain the working column here. No? You just add them. 6 plus 4, it is 10. Then 10 plus 3, it is 13. And then 13 plus 8, it is 21, like this, right? But I don't think now you are in such a situation, but by any chance, if there is a child really that if we have a child that he or she cannot add the numbers like this in mind, don't worry. You just go to the working column, add them one by one, but start from the most important thing. You want to start from the left-hand side. Okay. So then how you are going to write the note, children? So you have under the subtopic continuous addition, you put the first point to add the line of numbers, start at the left-hand side, and you write the example. Then you keep 2 lines, right? You keep 2 lines. Then you write the third point to add column of numbers. That means they have given the numbers this time as a column. The earlier one, they have given it as a line. If you want to add a column of numbers, always you want to start at the bottom and working in your head, add up the column, right? It's like this. I will show you what to do from where you start this time, from the bottom. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 8, 22. So when you have a column, always you start from the bottom. So this is the next point you want to write down. You just see if you can't do the same thing they have shown. What I asked you to do a little while ago in the working group, they have shown it, right? If you can't get it at once, don't worry. So then the different students, they do have different capabilities. You don't want to worry, oh my goodness, that I can't add them at once, but each added it so quickly. So that does that mean that I can't do maths? No. So different students, they do have different capabilities. So don't worry, if you can't do them like that, you go to the working column like I showed you earlier and add them one by one. But the most important thing, you want to start from the bottom. You want to start from the bottom if it is a column of numbers. Hope you have the note with you now that you want to write down only the things I have marked in blue color. You don't want to write everything. And you can show the workings in pencil, the right side corner. And apart from that, you can miss all the other things. You write only these 4 points in your theory book under the subtopic continuous addition. Right? After that, I will show you the sums you want to do. So these are the exercise 1A. You want to do questions 1 to 10, right? 1 to 10. Question 1 to 10 you want to do. Now you know what to do. So all the questions here, they are given as a line. So if it is a line from where we start, children, we start from the left side, right? So exercise 1A. So this is the first homework you want to do, question number 1 to 10. Then you have another homework in the same exercise. You want to do question number 21 to 30. Okay. So here you want to do question 1 to 10, and here you want to do question number 21 to 30. So this is your homework. Now you just tell me where you are going to start this. You go to your the exercise book, same way you write the August, today it is August, let's say 4th of August, right? You write the 4th of August here. In blue color pen, you want to do that. Always get that. Initially, it's kind of a mess, which color I'm going to use. But with the time, it's very easy, children. So then you have August 4th, 2025. Then you write the same way, unit 1. Then you write addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction of whole numbers. If you can't write them at once, so then you can come to the next of whole numbers. Right? So then you write that this is the day 1, that your theory day 1. So then the day 1 you write. So then the exercise number 1A. What's the page number? Page 1. Page 1. Right? Question 1 to 10. Okay. So then simply you just do them. Right? You put the question number and you do them. Right? Tick, 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 tick. You quickly do the 10 questions. Let's say now you have completed them. So then you take the black color pen again. You write, now this is the page 2. No? Then you write here, page 2. Then I ask you to do 21 to 30. Question 21 to 30. You underline it. You take the blue color pen and then you do 21 to 30. Tick, 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 tick. You just complete it. So that's it, right? So then you just wait for the next video. I'll explain you and I'll tell you what are the answers. You take the pink color pen, right? You take the pink color pen and mark the answers. Be honest, do a good job. So that is all about the first part of the lesson. Very easy. So this is kind of a warm-up exercise where we just let the practice the brain, train our brain to do the sums quickly. So nothing else. The only thing here we want to keep in our mind, if it is a line, always you want to start from the left side. If it is a column, you want to start from the bottom. So that is the theory. So we want to keep in our mind, and you know how to do the exercises and the like this. You write, put the date, write the main topic, and the here these things day one, and that here I miss one thing that you can write the continuous addition, the subtopic also. Then you complete the sum. Okay, children. The next day I'll explain. I'll discuss the answers, and then we will discuss addition of whole numbers. That is how it works. Hope you can have an idea now what kind of thing we are doing here day by day. The day one, we learn how to add the numbers when they are in a line and how to add numbers when they are in a column, right? And we learn how to present your answers in the exercise book, the things you want to write. And then when you are moving to the next the sums, that this is how you want to move, everything it is clear, I guess, right? By any chance, if there is anything, if you can't understand, comment in the video. I'll reply. Maybe that not all the time. During the daytime, I have lectures in the university, so then I don't think I can reply you more during the morning hours. But in the evening, definitely, I'll reply you and whatever the doubts or the clarification you have. Okay, children, we'll meet again tomorrow. Till then, focus at what we learn here. If you can't understand, go through the video one more time and do a neat job. So hope you have copied down everything here nicely. So maybe the first day you have only few points. Don't worry. The next day you go to the theory book and you start with the date and do the same pattern. Okay, children. See you then. We'll meet again next day with the next theory component.